sharp and true, a signal saying this is you. Not a pause, but taking flight, building strength in plainest sight. Step by step, our mindset grows. In the light, the future shows. On the air, 24/7, hearts align, we're reaching for heaven. Strength and courage, day by day. We leave the fear and doubt away. On the air, feel the drive, a brand new mindset comes alive. With every word, the vision ignites. We rise together into the light, guided forward by a steady flame, learning how to shape the game. Perseverance, strong and clear, turning fear to higher gear. With Ash's path we find our way, building something made to stay. From humble starts to brighter views, we share the fire through our truth. On the air, 24/7, hearts align, we're reaching for heaven. Strength and courage, day by day. We leave the fear and doubt away. On the air, feel the drive, a brand new mindset comes alive. With every word, the vision ignites. We rise together into the light. Across the waves, the message flies. Hope and rhythm amplify. Songs that carry joy and light, shared with hearts throughout the night. From one small spark to many lives, a positive pulse that multiplies. On the air, loud and clear, everything we built is here. Through every day, we stayed aligned. We changed the heart, we changed the mind. On the air, side by side, with truth and love, we will not hide. From every voice to every rise, we keep it moving. Every day we rise.